Hello, Bear Room parents. This video is to talk about solving story problems in math. We use this poster, Give Me the Whole Deal. We do a drawing, equation, answer, and label. Hopefully you recognize the Math Mountain. That's the drawing that we're using now, mostly. So, if you get a story problem like this one, Corey has 9 grapes. He eats 5 of them. What I have kids do is circle the important information, right? How many grapes are left? This could be a circle drawing. That would be fine. In other words, they would draw 9 circles, cross out 5. That would be fine. Otherwise, a Math Mountain works. 9 is the total because that's how many Corey has. He eats 5 of them, and we are missing the other partner. Kids would do this: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or they would use their fingers and find out that it's 4. So this is the drawing. Okay, I'm going to label that D for drawing. Then, of course, we need the E for equation. And the E for equation would be 9 minus 5 equals 4. If they did a plus equation, that might be acceptable, but this story is about Corey eating 5, so it should be a subtraction equation. And then, of course, the answer goes over here, 4, and the label, that's the L, label how many grapes. So that's basically the whole deal. I'm going to do that a little quicker with some other ones. Here's another one, different story. There are 8 kittens. 6 kittens are black, the rest are white. What I've taught the kids to do is circle important information and put a box around whenever there's something like the rest. That shows a missing partner. The rest are white. So that's a missing partner. 8 has to be the total because 8 is more than 6. 6 has to be a partner. And again, they would go 6, 7, 8 with 2 fingers or 2 circles. 6, 7, 8, and they would solve it. The equation that would match this story would be more like 6 plus box equals 8. Either way, it's 2, and of course the answer would be 2 kittens. So hopefully that's helpful. I wanted to show you one other kind that's kind of tricky. Let's see here. These kinds of stories like this. This is a missing partner subtraction story. This gets really, really tricky for kids. Kyle catches 8 frogs. He lets some frogs go. Some shows that there's a missing partner. Okay? 8 is the total still. And now Kyle has 2 frogs left. So it's still a missing partner, but the equation that would go with it was that Kyle has 8 frogs. He lets some frogs go. That would be minus some. Now Kyle has 2 frogs left, so that would be equals 2. That would be a missing partner subtraction equation. That's kind of tricky for kids. If they were to do this instead, 8 minus 2 equals box, that would be okay. It would get them the right equation. If they would do 2 plus box equals 8, that would also be acceptable probably, but this is the real equation that matches that story. And again, they would just get the partner 2 and count up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there are 6 circles. Or they could do the same thing here or use their fingers or whatever. But of course, then the answer and the label, how many frogs. So that is the whole deal. This is something that happens in all grades, doing the whole deal. It looks a little different when they get older, but you might as well get used to it now. Whenever they solve story problems, we are expecting students to have a drawing, equation, answer, and label. Thanks.